Guys, today let's make an amazing mixed veg dumpling recipe or dim sum or momo, whatever you call it. They don't have any flour or maida, still no compromise in taste. Firstly, let me show you all the vegetables from which we are going to make the stuffing. So, take a cabbage. You'll be needing just 1/3 of this cabbage, not too much. 1 bell pepper or capsicum. Well, you can take any bell pepper of your choice, like red, yellow, orange, anyone. 2 carrots. Then I've taken 4 green chilies or Thai peppers, but this is up to you guys. You take the chilies as per your preference only. If you like that chili heat, then only use, else you can skip it. Then this is some cilantro or coriander leaves for garnish. So guys, you can also increase or decrease the quantities of any vegetable you want. Also, you can add more veggies like some green beans, corn, zucchini, mushrooms, whatever you like. There is no any specific or hard and fast ratio of the vegetables. Now, I'm going to finely chop all the vegetables together in my food processor. Now, by all I mean carrot, bell pepper and cabbage. If you want, you can also grate the vegetables or use a manual chopper or even use a knife. Whatever you feel comfortable with. Just be mindful that your chopping should be really fine. See, I'll show you. Look how finely I've chopped the veggies, so please do likewise. Alright, now take a pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Let it heat up, then add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. I have taken grated ginger, you can also take ginger paste. Then add 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida or hing. Asafoetida is optional guys, but I'll recommend you to add it unless you have any allergy or so, because it gives a very nice flavor and also helps in digestion along with so many other medicinal properties. So please do add it. Then add all the chopped vegetables. There we go. Just make sure your flame should be at medium to high temperature, as we don't want to overcook the veggies. Just saute them lightly and leave them crunchy. Now I have chopped all my green chilies and I'm going to add here. Then add some black pepper powder. Just sprinkle a bit. Then add salt as per your taste. Now add 2 teaspoons of dark soy sauce. If you don't have dark one, you can also go with the lighter one, but dark would taste better in the recipe. Then add 2 teaspoons of white vinegar and at last add in chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. If you want, you can add parsley instead of cilantro, but cilantro tastes best in the recipe. Alright, now see here I have taken rice paper sheets. By using these rice papers, our dumplings will come out brilliant. I mean much more lighter and healthier than those thick flour or maida sheets. Now I'll tell you how to use them. Soak these rice paper in water for hardly 20 seconds. Make sure you don't soak them for long, else they'll become so soft that you will not be able to even handle them properly. Also, I've cut them into 4 equal parts. Now, you can either first cut them and then soak, or vice versa, however you find easier. Now take 1 quadrant and place it on a flat surface. Then take 1 teaspoon of stuffing mixture and keep it on it. Now, see carefully how to fold it. First, stick the bottom part holding the stuffing carefully on the top. Then, cover both the sides like this and then simply overlap both these ends and your cute little dumpling packet is ready. Well, if you find these sheets difficult to handle, you can double them and use. Like you can use 2 quadrants together and then stuff them. So I'll show you. See how cute these dumplings look once they are stuffed. Now, I'm going to steam them for 15 minutes. Well, if you want, you can even pan fry them. Now, I'm not talking about deep frying them. Just brush your pan with some oil and fry your dumplings from both the sides until crispy red. So here are my mouth-watering veggie steamed dumplings. Now, quickly, let's prepare a sauce for the dumplings. So in a bowl, take 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce, then 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon white vinegar, half teaspoon white sesame seeds, then add around 1/3 cup water and then mix everything together. So that's it guys. Enjoy these flavorful and healthy dumplings along with this amazing sauce and stay tuned for the next recipe.